Hey everybody, it's your friend Rob Corddry here with a can't miss opportunity just in time for college basketball's big tournament. No, I can't help you predict what's gonna happen in March. I mean, I could because I totally have the gift, but I'm not going to because that would violate the rules of magic. But I can predict what's going down in April. Me, you, and the ultimate post-tournament getaway on a yacht. My yacht. That's right, to support the V Foundation for Cancer Research, I'm teaming up with Corona and Omaze to fly you and 3 friends out to Los Angeles where you'll be put up in a relaxing beachside hotel before meeting me on a yacht, which is totally mine. So now, obviously I'm not on a yacht right now. I'm not always on a yacht, guys, but I did manage to find a way to give you a little preview, huh? Here's my yacht. There's me here. Pretty true to life. This little guy here is you. You'll be like, whoa, pretty awesome yacht you've got there. Are those crystal sails? And I'm like, yeah, whatever, Hollywood, you know? You introduce me to your friends. And I'm like, hop on board, new friends. And then, we'll play some basketball. You're like, yay! So I go, and then, you go, and you get it. Good for you. Here's my signature shot. We shoot around for a while, and after it winds down, you're like, whew, Rob, gosh, that was fun. Thank you so much for having us. And I'm like, whoa! What do you have, work in the morning? Grab a ball, cause it's rematch time. Best 33 out of 64 sound good? It does to me. And you all kind of like, ooh. And you're like, well, hey, this was really fun, Rob, but we just gotta go, sorry. And I'm like, oh, wow, look, a dance floor, guys. Uh-oh, you guys are in trouble. Woo, spinning, worming. And I'm like, Rob, go Rob. And you're like, Rob, we have got to go. And I'm like, oh yeah, watch this, guys. Oh! And you're like, oh my God, is Rob Corddry okay? So obviously, it's not gonna go exactly like that. There is a basketball hoop on the yacht. I checked, and I also know, because it is my yacht. So click the link or go to omaze.com/corona and enter for the chance to go from brackets to beachside and join me, Rob Corddry, for the greatest post-tournament getaway ever. And best of all, every donation benefits the V Foundation for Cancer Research. So let's kick cancer's ass together. Yay! So go to omaze.com/corona and donate right now. We'll see you on the yacht.